It was that the two Porsches went straight into the lead, the GT1 cars. Remember, this is their debut race, and it was expected that the prototypes would immediately lead, but that wasn't the case.
Hello, and welcome to another video. Alright guys, so I know it's been a little while since my last post. Been a little bit crazy times, had to travel, had to move, and I was able to work on a really cool project for a group build that happened to be on Reddit. So I entered a little competition, and unfortunately this time I had to join the regular class of people. I couldn't just stay in the novice class the entire time. I had already built over 5 models, so that categorized me, unfortunately, in the more advanced class. And we got a really cool project done. You guessed it, another Porsche. I love my Porsches, and this one is a legendary one. We worked on the Porsche GT1, the full view version, and we did a very special project for this one. I decided to give it a half clear and half livery, so you get the best of both worlds. You get to see the cool internals, and then you also get to see the beautiful livery that they had for the mobile one when they ran it that year. I believe it was 96, 86. I'm butchering it right now, but anyways, here she is in all her glory. That is the livery side, as you can see. There's the split right down the middle. Then we have here the transparent side. We got a little bit of detail in the cockpit. We did some wiring, had some seatbelt harnesses as well, and we did a little bit extra work here in the engine bay area. We added some wires, some heat shielding. I tried to work on some coloring for the heat staining on the exhaust, and this was my first try doing it, and I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. So as I mentioned, this was part of a Reddit group build, and I joined the competition, and I managed to snag 4th place, believe it or not. I think there was over probably about 100 different entries, and I'm pretty happy with it. Unfortunately, in this video, guys, I only got the unboxing and the final product. I wasn't able to film the process, as this was a little bit more tedious. I was doing it in not consistent sessions. Everything was kind of chopped up, and hence my whole chaotic last couple months. I wasn't able to sit down and really dedicate some time, but we have some more project in the books coming up, and I hope you guys enjoy the unboxing and the little b-rolls that I got of the final product. Thanks for watching, and check in next time. Alrighty guys, here it is, the 911 GT1 full view. We've already taken some of the sprues out of its plastic because we went ahead and washed them, and I wanted to look at all the pieces. All the clear parts, I am keeping them in the plastic until I am ready to use them or mask them, because like I mentioned, we're going to be doing half the paint on this one. So here we got our mostly engine pieces here. We got our turbos. I think these are headlamps, intercoolers, tailpipes. Moving on to this sprue, we got some body pieces here. We got our rear panel, some side panels. I think this goes in the cockpit here, or wing. And here are most of the black pieces and some of the engine parts as well. So here's the engine. More of the engine here as well. Bottom panel, we got some rivet detail on it. Might drill them out a little bit more. Brakes already come pretty much almost fully assembled. I like them when they come separated. That's it. Here's our wheels. They came off the sprue already as well. And some tires. I'm just a little bit worried on these decals. Some of them look slightly yellowed, and since it's going to be transparent, well, actually white in the background where the decals are going to be, I'm worried it's going to show some of that yellowing. You can see here, for instance.